Let's have a look at how to build Kubernetes with AMD instances on Azure. And let's see the difference in cost when compared to a default instance. To show you the differences in pricing, we would be using an open source tool called Infracost. This would highlight the estimated costs before creating your instances in Azure. Let's have a look at creating a cluster with default VM type standard D2SV4, and let's have a look at the cost of running this cluster in Azure. As you can see, the estimated total cost of running an AKS cluster with D2SV4 would be $280.32. Now let's have a look at creating the same cluster with VM type standard D2ASV4, which is the AMD instance, and let's have a look at the cost of running the same cluster in Azure. As you can see, the total cost of running the same AKS cluster in Azure with instance D2ASV4 is $195.35. Let's see how fast we can make that change if you are already running on the default instance type as you go into the Azure console. And you can see the nodes are currently running using D2SV4 virtual machines. We are going to see how we can change that to D2ASV4 virtual machines, which are the AMD instances, and that's it done. Thank you for watching.